Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I just wait for 1 more minute, okay? Just wait for 1 more minute, let them join. Just wait for 1 more minute. Yeah. Now I'm starting with you people again. Now resume writing. I have already cleared with you people what is a resume and what is a CV. What is the basic difference of a resume writing and what is the basic difference of a CV writing. Now resume writing and CV writing. Can anyone who is there that who have joined right now in the class? They have not joined in the previous class. Is there anyone? Is there any student who have joined in now and you have not joined before? All have joined the previous class. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now introduction part. In this introduction part in this session, I will discuss with you people how you will write a resume. Okay, that how you have to write a resume. Let me share the screen with you again. Can you see? See. Session. You have to write one like this. You have to write session. After that, you have to write resume writing in the black pen. You don't have to write the syllabus. You have to write the introduction part. In this session, two resume writing will be taken up. The purpose of a resume is to disclose one qualification and accomplishment. You don't have, you can write this one, but I will not take you two resume because I've already given you CV, resume, and portfolio. So the purpose of a resume is to disclose one qualification and accomplishment of the admission interview committee, all those things. Now, one by one, I will come to you people right now, and I will ask you that what things you have to mention in your resume. So can I start with mechanical? Mechanical, is it clear to you people that how you have to write your resume? Mechanical,
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear for you people that how you have to write your resume? What
Yes, ma'am.
things you have to mention in your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please start.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
skills.
first of all,
One by one.
Education qualification, ma'am.
Okay, you just speak. I will not say anything.
Education qualification, ma'am.
Don't say ma'am. You just say all those things. Go ahead.
Contact information.
Arey Baba, what things you will write? You just tell na one by one. No one is here.
Hobbies.
Okay. Sequentially, please. Please just sequentially. Because if you will not tell na sequentially, it will create a problem. That's why. Hobbies and
Working experience.
working experience. Okay, and
Skills.
अरे बाबा बोलो ना fast.
Achievements.
हाँ.
Contact details.
Yeah, contact details. Very important thing is your contact details.
Address.
Yeah, address. Very good. Next. Next what?
Goal.
Goal.
Strength.
And
Weakness and strengths.
weakness and interest. It is necessary to write your weakness to show your weakness to anyone. I am asking you people. Is it correct to write your weakness?
No, ma'am.
So, please
Ma'am.
ever don't show your weakness to anyone. Okay. Your good resume doesn't include your weakness. Your work challenges you have to show. First, you have to give your name, and what post you are, your phone number, your email ID. Okay, your LinkedIn or what, Twitter, whatever you people are having. After that, you give your address. See, these things all includes whatever is in the left hand side. In the left hand side, this all things includes in your resume. Left hand side or left hand side mein na, after when you just write in the left hand side, after that when you complete, there are two border types. There are two border types where you have to say that you have strive your challenges on whatever things you are there, and you have the ability that you can go work with your team. You have good interpersonal communication skill, or you can write you have good interpersonal skills. Okay, this step. After that, education. That year you have to write. At present, pursuing your BTech. This year, science, higher secondary from science, PCMB in bracket. Your class, first class in bracket percentage. Your metric was in your CGPA, I think so. Hana? CGPA, so you have to write
Yes, ma'am.
CGPA this much points. After your experience, if you have any gained experience, then you have to write. You have not gained any experience, you don't have to write. After that, training. What training? What you have done? So it is known as training. Okay. Training, that means your training from this duration of work, this, that. Training part completed. After what you have to write, your additional activities. What are your additional activities? What are your languages? What are your key skills? Languages, na? Just say, suppose some people know Bengali, but they don't know read and write. At that time, just make a bar graph. Have you seen the bar graph type? There is a thin lining is there. They have printed blue. They have printed red. Good, basic. Means basic. You know, sometimes in your job, they ask that you have certain ideas about your regional language. That where for which region you are just applying, you will be having a basic idea. So at that time, you just have to draw a sidebar graph in the right hand side, straight line, small, and there you have to write good. If you know the basic of that, you have to write basic. Good means your Hindi, that you can write 90%. Don't ever give 100% in any languages, okay? Because we don't know pure Hindi. So give 90%, 85% type, that good. you know Udia, give a little blue mark. There you write basic. Are you getting my points?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you getting my points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this is the means thing that how you prepare your resume. Now, is it clear to means am I clear to your people now? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after that, the parts of a resume. Part. Now, since you people are not working now, you will say, madam, hum log resume kaise bana? How we will make a resume? We are not working. Is there any person who is working from lateral or there? Any person is there who is working? May I know any of the people? If you are engaged in some other activities, can you tell me? You're free to hear that. Say you are just engaged in your private school, whatever things you are just engaged. You can say me. Nirmal Mahato, are you present in the class? Nirmal Mahato?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nirmal, right now you have submitted in the Google Classroom, na?
Yes, ma'am. मैम हमको पता नहीं था इसीलिए.
Acha, no problem. No, I am just checking that who persons have submitted these things. That's why.
तो मैं प्रोम आ गया था मैम इसीलिए थोड़ा नेटवर्क हो जाए प्रोम चली थी मेरे
अच्छा
एग्जाम
ठीक है निर्मल no problem, no issues because I know network is very bad. Okay, now parts of your resume. What are the different various parts of your resume that I have already now told you? I don't think that you will have any problem. Do you have any problem? Any one of you? Then tell me that I'm having problem. Please tell me. Anyone, any problem? I have posted the YouTube link. Okay. Of your part 1 class. You can see over there. Okay, you can just see in the Google Classroom, your part 1 class YouTube link already sent to you people. Now, Kanhaiya, have you submitted the assignment?
No, ma'am.
Very good.
Not yet. Ma'am, I have talked to you.
You have talked to me, but what you have doing yesterday?
Yesterday, ma'am, I'm in the Ranchi.
Now, what for
I
Ranchi you
come here
went?
for
For what
Ma'am,
purpose?
फर्स्ट पर्पस इज फॉर मैम मुझे पहले तो ये कश्यप आई केयर में पता करना था मम्मी के लिए.
हाँ,
और कल रांची में मैच था तो उसका भी मुझे पास मिला हुआ था तो वो भी मैं गया हुआ था.
So this is the basic thing that I am asking for you.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना ma'am? So when I expect from you that when you will submit?
Before next class.
Next class, both experiments?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. See, now come to this part that what things you have to write in your copy. Explanation is being done. Now writing part, what things you have to write here. Resume writing, you don't have to write, only write session 1, session. Resume writing, syllabus. After that, introduction. After that, objectives. Don't you have to write theory because theory I've already explained you are doing. Now, parts of a resume. What are the various parts of your resume? See, here also I mentioned what is the various part, the heading part, the position, the career objective, the profession summary, the education, the work experience. Here your work experience, you don't have to write anything. You just have to write not eligible or not applicable. Okay. NA or just write not eligible because if people are not eligible right now. Your work experience should be given in reverse chronological order by listing the most recent employment first. See, this is the important thing. When you're fresher, it doesn't matter that what think you're working or what you are not working. But when you gather some experience by working in other fields, at that time you have to write the most recent jobs. As I have told for your academic purpose also, that the most recent thing, the most highest degree of your academic you have to write first. The same process is that your current working position, in which sector you are just working presently, you have to write, or the last job you have left, you have to mention till that I have, means till date I have worked. You have to mention the date from when to when. Dates of employment and important job responsibility. When you are going for any kind of job interviews, always try to carry your work experience certificate. And many sector, they used to give the work experience certificate till date. That means till you are working. Please take care of these things. Okay, that you are just working. Just 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. Hello. Now, special skills, abilities, and aptitudes. Okay, in this part of resume, what we think? See, the application, special skill, abilities. In special skills, what things you have to include? That is your soft skill. Now, please think about your soft skills. I will ask to you people after some time that what is your soft skill? Okay. What is your soft skill? Please, everyone. Just think. I am giving you 1 minute time to think about your special skill, your abilities, and your soft skill. All of you just think one by one. I will come to you people. I will just ask you special skill. Okay. Should I come to you people one by one now? Anish Kumar. Anish Kumar Sharma from Mechanical. Aryan Kumar. Anish, I'm not getting you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please tell me.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
special skill.
Time management.
स्पेशल स्किल में तुम समझते क्या हो? What do you understand by your special skill? Skill I have already explained. What do you mean by special skill? You're good in communication, you're good in leadership, you're good in time management, you're good in problem solving. And just explain. Just explain fast.
Ma'am, motivating others, ma'am.
Motivating others. Okay, very good. And now I am giving you. Who will say? Speak. Please speak.
Ma'am, me.
Okay, please.
Ma'am, leadership qualities and problem solving skills and creativity.
And next, what do you want to say? Next, fast.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm not
attitude,
getting you.
communication.
Good in communication. See, this is the things you have to mention in your resume. And if you say you don't know at that time, how can it be possible if you say that you don't know? Tell me. कैसे चलेगा?
Ma'am, time management skill, leadership qualities, and problem solving skills.
Good. How you will solve any problem? Should I give some problem to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the biggest problem is that you people are not joining the class. So how you can solve? How to attract the students to join the class? You people are a student, you will basic know. Your views I want to know. Should I be very tight or should be very
Yes, ma'am.
liberal?
You should be very tight for those students.
Okay, should be very tight. This is the thing because I am asking from your opinions. Because at that time say they will say that
No,
No, ma'am, then no one will join.
no.
No, ma'am, you don't be strict, then no one will join.
Okay. No, see, I am a teacher and you are the student. So what is your point of view? I just want to know from your side. Okay. No, next time just coming, okay? Parts of your resume and all those things I have completed. A group discussion, how many of you have formed the group? How many of you have formed the group? All have formed the group? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait. Yeah. Next. I am just calling the names. Okay. Nirmal Mahato.
Yes, ma'am.
See Nirmal. The biggest mistake. Now I will say. ये जो यहाँ पे तुम किया है ना रिपोर्ट, फिर
Yes,
यहाँ
ma'am.
पे दिया एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1, फिर यहाँ पे दिया असाइनमेंट, है ना? ये
Yes, ma'am.
तीनों एक ही में आएगा।
मैम नहीं हो रहा था इसीलिए लास्ट में इसी एक एक करना करके देना पड़ा
तो
हमको।
पीडीएफ काहे नहीं किया? पीडीएफ आई हैव टोल्ड यू। पिक्चर हम थोड़ी बोले हैं, पीडीएफ आई हैव टोल्ड यू। हम ये सब पीडीएफ बोले नहीं है, ये सबको पिक्चर बोले, हम सबको डिलीट कर रहे, तुम फिर से भेजो। आई एम जस्ट
Okay, ma'am.
शोइंग यू। और इसका भी फर्स्ट पेज कहाँ है? I will not accept these things. Make a PDF and you just send. See how Rohit have
Okay,
done.
ma'am.
How Rohit have done, you just have to do it like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Muskan Kumari. Muskan, are you present? This girl have also done the same thing. MD Asghar Ali. MD Asghar Ali. Saroj Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
So group discussion, who is the member?
Ma'am, Beneath,
Hmm?
Rohit,
Hmm?
Sarik, Prakhar Gupta, and me.
तो ये जो है इसको व्हाइट पे मारो। Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
See, यहाँ पे you have given 2 dots hyphen where? Given like division mark. ये F will be in capital letter. You have to make your copy again. I am just, be frankly, I am just saying you, I will not accept this type of copies. ये लिख दिए, कहाँ कैपिटल कहाँ स्मॉल लेटर कोई पता ही नहीं है। इकोनॉमिक का स्पेलिंग, सीधा स्पेलिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक, हाँ सोशियल इकोनॉमिक लग रहा है, आई दे दिया, और पॉलिटिकल में पी स्मॉल हो गया अचानक, है? Just pray to God that your college get open soon and I will check your copies and how many people have to write it again, I don't know. Muskan Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where is your assignment? Where is your assignment?
मैम असाइनमेंट इसके बाद असाइनमेंट अपलोड किए हैं।
क्यों? I have told you, आगे पीछे करके करो।
मैम हो नहीं रहा था असाइनमेंट मेरा, उसमें शायद कुछ दिक्कत था, एक ही नाम से 2 असाइनमेंट का।
फिर से करिए आप असाइनमेंट।
ओके
आपका मैं यहाँ डिलीट किया, फिर से सबमिट करिए तीनों एक साथ। अभय गुप्ता।
ओके।
अभय गुप्ता। अभय गुप्ता। विनीत सिंह।
Ma'am, you typed wrongly.
Oh, attend the 3 class. Okay. Leave it. Let them see how many of them see it. Vinit Singh. Chi. Bineet Singh. धनेश्वर महतो. धनेश्वर महतो. This person are not attending the class and just submitting. Parveen Chandra, see, 2 3 2 3. क्या किया है ये लोग? My goodness. सोनू प्रधान. सोनू प्रधान, अनंत कुमार प्रधान. जिशान.
Yes, ma'am.
जिशान, report you have written ना? उसका front में you have to give again like this, okay? The
वो
front
मैडम
page.
मैं दूसरा मैडम another student.
ये another है, अनीश है ना? अनीश है ना? अनीश कुमार
Yes,
शर्मा.
ma'am.
अनीश,
Yes, ma'am.
फ्रंट पेपर दो रिपोर्ट में,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? रिपोर्ट में फ्रंट पेपर. Now experiment number 3, sorry, experiment number 3, I am saying this one. Experiment number 2. Experiment number 2, now I am coming to people, you have to submit like this only. ये कागज उगज जो क्या लिखा है, ये कौन है? विनीत सिंह. वो तो आया ही नहीं है. You don't have to write all those things like this. Like this you have to write experiment number 2, your CV, portfolio, resume. 3 things will be in one single PDF. You just have to write assignment in bracket, portfolio, CV, resume. Got it?
तो मैम एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2 में बस वही तीनों लिखना है ना, बाकी कुछ नहीं ना? वो पीपीटी में
कॉपी
से अभी
में?
कुछ नहीं लिखना है?
कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है.
तो वो भी अभी सबमिट, नेक्स्ट क्लास से पहले उससे भी सबमिट करना है?
जी बिल्कुल. नेक्स्ट क्लास नेक्स्ट सैटरडे है.
रिपोर्ट भी लेना है मैडम इस क्लास का?
हाँ,
रिपोर्ट
रिपोर्ट यू डोंट हैव टू राइट. इसमें रिपोर्ट क्या बनेगा? फर्स्ट जस्ट लिसन. या हेलो
मैम, पोर्टफोलियो सब में प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी में लिखना है?
नहीं, पोर्टफोलियो का प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी में क्यों लिखो? उसको तो बनाना है. यू हैव टू टेक द प्रिंट आउट कॉपी ऑफ दैट पोर्टफोलियो, रिज्यूम एंड सीवी. यू हैव टू ऐड योर पिक ओवर देयर आल्सो. सी द
सॉफ्ट कॉपी रहेगा या हार्ड कॉपी?
सॉफ्ट हार्ड दोनों का जरूरत पड़ेगा. You have to keep
मैंने मैम सीवी अपना पहले से बना के रखा है मैम, इसी पूछ रहा हूँ.
Make one another one, no problem. If you want to use that one, you can use that one, no problem.
मैम पोर्टफोलियो में क्या करना है मैम?
पोर्टफोलियो इज बेसिकली ना वो कलर ही होता है. पोर्टफोलियो इज बेसिकली, हम बोल रहे ज्यादातर पोर्टफोलियो जो बनता है कलर में ही बनता है. पोर्टफोलियो में जस्ट इट इज ऑफ 1 पेज. एक साइड में आपका जस्ट ऊपर में जो रहता है ना, पोर्टफोलियो राइटिंग में आपका एक नाम रहेगा. सबसे बड़ा मींस द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट पिक भी आपका रहता है. उसके बाद मतलब एक ही पेज में उसको, मतलब क्या बोले, डिजाइन उसका जो आता है एक ही पेज में ही आपका आएगा. इन द प्रीवियस क्लास आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड अबाउट दिस पोर्टफोलियो, हाउ यू हैव टू राइट. You just go again in that video because now time is not left enough to you people that I will explain it again. The portfolio in the previous class, how to write a portfolio, I have already explained. You were there or you have attended now?
No ma'am.
Have you attended that class?
No ma'am.
Okay, you have not attended. I have shared the Google.
First
yeah,
फर्स्ट में थे मैम, सेकंड में नहीं थे.
तो उसी में हम एक्सप्लेन किए कि पोर्टफोलियो कैसे लिखना है, हाउ यू हैव टू मेक अ पोर्टफोलियो. ओके, पोर्टफोलियो में इंट्रोडक्शन भी देना है. देयर आर सर्टेन टाइप्स ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन यू आल्सो हैव टू गिव इन डिस्क्रिप्शन टाइप इन द पोर्टफोलियो. See, if anyone wishes to do the portfolio color, take the color printout. If anyone doesn't wishes to do the portfolio in color, don't. Okay. There is no certain. You have to write one most important thing about this portfolio is that you have to write a statement. A paragraph that brings giving a small summary type. That what you work, how you are being confidential, currently where you are working, and a brief discussion about yourself and how you will just able to miss what are your eligibility to get this job, your link, your email ID, all those things. Portfolios, you will get one portfolios means I think क्या बोलते हैं उसको format you will definitely get. That suppose there you have tried that Muskan Dubey, mechanical engineer, your career objective. यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है इस तरह से, ये सारा लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड में आपका रहेगा एड्रेस. योर एड्रेस विल बी ऑन द राइट साइड. द एड्रेस इज योर हाउस एड्रेस, योर कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर, योर मेल. That everything should be in the right side. Okay, after that you have to write a summary of your qualification and all those things. After that your job duties, your responsibilities. After that educational qualification, you will get all those things. I think you will get one format, but all formats are not okay. So I have told you the format, which format you have to write your portfolio. So go ahead with that format only. And the main important thing is that your margin and the format, क्या बोलते हैं, the size of your writing. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, writing size, words का जो sizes रहता है 12, 15, वो जो रहता है वो भी मैटर अप करता है. पोर्टफोलियो में जो नाम होता है ना वो बोल्डली लिखा जाता है, बड़ा बड़ा साइज में लिखा जाता है. That makes person attractive. Now you tell me, say all of you, if you have any problem, any queries, just tell me right now. Now I will close this class because time is not left. Please tell me anyone is having any problem. Anyone any problem, please tell me. Hello.
Ma'am, only objective and introduction we have to write in experiment number 2.
Huh? You have to write. Okay.